Window regulator installs are pretty routine, but getting it right means more than just bolting it on and hoping for the best. It starts before the part even hits the door. Inspect the new regulator for any shipping damage. Check the track, cable tension, and if the motor is pre-installed, make sure it's secure and ready to plug in. Clean out the inside of the door. Leftover debris, broken clips, or old adhesive can throw off alignment or create noise down the line. Secure the glass before you drop the old regulator. Use tape or a wedge to keep it from shifting, binding, or scratching while you work. When you install the new regulator, hand thread all your bolts first. That keeps everything aligned and prevents cross-threading, especially around the motor mounts or track brackets. Don't over-tighten, especially near the glass or motor housing. You want it snug and secure, not under stress. Always test before you reassemble. Plug in the switch and cycle the window a few times. You're checking for smooth travel, proper seating, and no strange noises. Look for signs of rubbing, slow travel, or rattling. If anything feels off, better to fix it now than after the panels clip back in. The cleaner the install, the smoother the ride, and the less likely you'll ever see that door panel again.